Hey, it's Gwendolyn here. And just before I go into um, roller skating, I wanted to just share with you 4 tips that will help you when you're deciding to kind of branch off in the work from home industry or the work from home space. A lot of times we see the beauty of it, but we don't realize that it starts with your mindset. You definitely have to put yourself in the right mind frame, the right mindset, and once you can see yourself in the right mindset, you then must make a decision. You must decide that no matter what, you're going to stick it out. A lot of times we don't we have a tendency to be distracted, and so distraction will cause us to kind of fall off. But when you've made a decision and you know your why, you're going to stick it out no matter what. So that's the next point. You definitely have to remain focused. You have to be focused no matter what distractions are going on around you. You definitely have to be focused. And then don't forget, you have to remain consistent. A lot of times we hop into the industry and we don't remain consistent. We, because of distractions or whatever may be going on, we lose track and we eventually just fall off. And a lot of times we fall off when there's about to be a breakthrough. So I say this to just say that no matter what in this industry, it's a great industry. You can be creative, you can have fun, and especially with the group that I'm with, we are a group of work at home moms that are making it happen, and we're helping others and showing others how to do the same. So if you're, willing to, open your mindset, open your mind, um, kind of just shift it in the right direction. If you're willing to just listen and follow and take consistent actions, you can make it happen too. And so, what I'm going to do is include below more information on how you can partner with us and dive in, learn, grow, be creative, and have fun because that's what it's really all about. And at the end of the day, you'll see the success that you're looking for. So, once again, dive in. Um, you'll see all the information down below. And if you want to message me, you can message me on Facebook. My Facebook information will be below, and also I'll include my Instagram. But I'm about to head in for roller skating. Um, but I definitely want to be able to help you out. We're here and we're definitely changing lives. Have a good rest of the evening.